Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to do a breakdance spin step by step. Start by tucking your chin and placing your dominant hand flat on the floor, then push through your shoulders and kick your legs to build momentum. Keep your core tight and spot a reference point to maintain balance. Breathe steadily and practice slow repetitions to build comfort before increasing speed and duration and control. Hand placement makes or breaks your spin, so focus on comfort and angle. Keep fingers active and press through the base of the palm while engaging your forearm. Adjust wrist angle to find a smooth pivot point and protect against strain. If you feel rough friction, try a thin glove or cloth to reduce resistance while you build confidence and speed in controlled practice sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for long practice sessions because it stays cold and fits in most bags, making hydration easy and stylish. I find it perfect when I'm sweating through drills or taking short breaks between spins. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Leg position controls momentum and balance, so practice transitions slowly. Begin with one leg tucked and the other extended, then use a firm kick to start rotation while keeping your core engaged. Gradually extend both legs to accelerate and refine the aesthetic of the spin. Focus on smooth leg motion and timing to avoid abrupt stops, and always return to a controlled stance after each attempt to prevent falls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.